We are back at it. All of the sheetrock for the kitchen has been sanded. The mud is nice and smooth. The grout is dry for the tiles. Looking sweet. And I'm gonna go ahead and paint the kitchen right now. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna try to spend an hour in here and get this painted because tomorrow I'm gonna buy the cabinets. I don't want to paint around cabinets. So I've got the paint shaken, my tray ready, 2 ice cold IPAs. I'm ready to get going. Would be your next one. Beep 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 beep. We've got all the cabinets done. I'm gonna have the granite guy come measure for granite maybe this afternoon or tomorrow, and then we're gonna buy appliances. And today is, what's today, Tuesday? Wednesday? Wednesday. And then Friday, I think me and Tyler are gonna do a full day, put this last toilet in the hallway master bath, and finish some electrical. And that should be a wrap. And hopefully between now and Friday, I can snag up some appliances at Lowe's. So fridge, oven, hood, dishwasher. Probably like $2,000. We normally spend between $1,850 and $2,000 for stainless steel. But we'll let you guys know what we do and keep you posted.